180 million being pumped into this particular Pasir Ris interchange. The ripple effect on the land value on the surrounding it will be increased. So this become an exit plan number 2. When the Cross Island Line is going to be completed in 2030s. So after orientating you from the left to the right back to the center, let me bring you towards the north. As you bring towards the north, right, there's this orange color line. What is this? This is the Green Central Walkway. And from the bicycle, you can easily hit the Pasir Ris Park immediately. It is within short range. And from this left limit all the way to the right limit, it is 3.4 kilometer huge long recreational beach area. And it is flanked by 2 river walk, Changi Api Api and also Changi Tampines. It's amazing. So coming down south, as you can see from here, coming down south, for those who drive, right, you can easily hit the TPE to the rest of the Singapore. Very, very convenient. So in short, this particular location, as you can see from here, it is going to transform into an iconic landmark within the whole Pasir Ris town. Give me a moment while I change the battery a little for the pointer. Okay, thank you for your patience. Allow me to bring you to the next station. Follow me to the next station. Okay, all my ERA teammates, this is the station number 3. Buying property, it is very important to identify exit plan. Why is it important to identify the exit plan? So that we will be able to add value to the client. When they exit, they can actualize their profit. So in this particular station 3, I'm going to bring upon you some of the master plan insight. So if you look at this particular site, this is the actual site of Pasir Ris 8. And for this particular site, I want to bring to the north. This is plot 1, plot 2. And go down to the south, this is the adjacent plot. So subsequently, when you bring your client to the actual site where the tentage is, you can show them and orientate them on this particular plot here, as well as these 2 plots. When you're having had the shuttle bus leading you to this particular site. Okay, why is it important to know all this potential site is all zone residential? Because if you're aware, based on the recent Ang Mo Kio bid of 1118 and the Tanah Merah bid of 930, it means the market are already absorbing an OCR price at 930 to 1118 per square foot per block ratio. So long, subsequently at later stage, when the government were to release this few plot of land, and if they were to sell higher than the land cost of Pasir Ris 8, that will make up your exit plan number 3. Remember earlier on we mentioned exit plan number 1 is the T5, 10 billion invested. Exit plan number 2 is the LTA, 980 million for the Cross Island Line. And now the exit plan number 3 is to fully optimize this exit plan of adjacent plot, plot 1 and plot 2. There are also plot 3 and plot 4. Allow me to show you where is the plot 3 and plot 4. The plot 3, if you follow my cursor here, is actually here. So based on the master plan, show your client this is the plot 3 and the plot 4 is here. Take note, the plot 3 is actually our sales gallery. Sales gallery. And for the plot 3 and plot 4, if you look at the location analysis, you'll see that the master plan shows that in this plot 3 and plot 4, right, it is all surrounded by private condominium. So it is very high chance that these 2 plots will be subsequently be tendered out as a private condominium site. So follow my cursor slowly again. This is where the Pasir Ris 8 is. Let me same thing bring you to the left. What happened? If within the left, as you can see, all this purple color, you are surrounded by many, many good schools and international school. So you can see, not only that, you also are surrounded by mature amenities like Giant, IKEA, Courts, Pasir Ris West Plaza, Elias Mall. So if I orientate you to the right, you see plenty of good school again, ranging from Hai Sing, Casuarina, Pasir Ris Crest, Pasir Ris Primary School, and not only that, with mature amenities like Downtown East as well as Loyang Point. And if I were to zoom a little bit into this particular circle here, why is it called Integrated Transport Hub? Because it comes with a seamless connection of MRT and also an aircon bus interchange. Where is the aircon bus interchange? It's going to right smack at your first level at this particular location within the site. And this whole site area is huge. It's about 400,000 square foot size. And just within close proximity, is very near to the Pasir Ris town, where you can do your prawning and fishing with the family, with the loved one to strengthen the bonding. And the hawker center is within the needs over here. And not only that, okay, it's White Sand. This is the White Sand Mall in addition to the shopping mall. And this shopping mall span 4 levels. And can you see from this cross island line, this is the cross island line. And this is the cross island line. It's very well connected for this cross island line. Yeah, as you follow my pointers over here, the enhanced connectivity all the way down to this east-west line. See that? East-west line, well connected to the downtown line. So in short, it is at the epicenter of Pasir Ris town, well connected. Next, I'll be showing you the model. Follow me a little on the model. Okay, please take note, the model currently is work under progress. So as you can see, the developer staff are still working very hard. So along the way, there might be some minor changes. All right. So follow my pointer. I'll orientate you in a very systematic flow. So take a look at this perspective right now. This is Pasir Ris Central. Take a look at my pointer. This is Pasir Ris Central. So imagine now you're the shoppers. The shoppers will be entering through the ingress and outgress of this Pasir Ris Central, going into the ingress and outgress where they can park at the basement 1 and basement 2 for the shoppers. And if you go to my right, this is the Heritage Garden, very nice Heritage Garden, and a nice town plaza. This huge town plaza, if you click into it, the whole big event space here, the purpose is to create events, okay, to make the whole town plaza vibrant, to strengthen bonding among families and friends. And there are also skylight that's been introduced into the town plaza. So this 2 circle here is the skylight that will be shined directly into the town plaza. So as you can see from this whole town plaza here towards the left, this is the level 2. Okay, this is the childcare center that you see from here. This is a level 1M childcare center. Do you see that? And once I orientate you from this Pasir Ris Central, right, allow me to bring you to Pasir Ris 8. The Pasir Ris 8, imagine now you are the owners that's staying in Pasir Ris 8. There's enhanced connectivity because for Pasir Ris 8 residents, right, there is an ingress and outgress for Pasir Ris 8. How to remember it? Because this is Pasir Ris 8, just remember Pasir Ris Drive 8. As you can see from here, Pasir Ris Drive 8. So as you drive along Pasir Ris Drive 8, right, you can turn in. So once you turn in, right, the next thing is you turn left. Once you turn left, you go up the ramp. See my pointer? You go up to the 2nd floor, 3rd floor. And as I slowly hit the 3rd floor, you're driving along this 3rd floor, you get to see the guardhouse. So it has the security. For residents, you have the enjoyment of seamless convenience because you got a separate ingress and outgress. And this is the guardhouse. And once you pass the guardhouse, right, if you follow my pointer, the car will drive slowly and then turn left. Once you turn left into the turn left, you'll go all the way to park at the level 3. As you can see my light here, the level 3 car park. So that is where all the cars will park beneath the own residential block. So it's very nicely separated from the shoppers. Remember the shoppers? The shoppers is actually at the B1 and B2. If you see my cursor here, this is the level 3 residential car park. So allow me to further orientate you over here. I'm still along Pasir Ris 8, okay? Now I'll be going over to Pasir Ris tree. So for this particular Pasir Ris tree, take note there's an ingress, outgress, and this ingress, outgress is for the bus to enter from here. So all the different stakeholders each got a separate bus, each got a different ingress and outgress. So you enhance the whole convenience for the three stakeholder. Not only that, as you come in from here, allow me to bring you to the Central Greenway. So imagine now, this is level 1. Orientate a little. This is level 1. Okay, level 1. And for those bicycle lover, they can actually take the lift. Can you see the lift that I'm pointing in right now at level 1? This is the lift. Okay, you may not see very clearly, but this is the lift. It's big enough for you to put a bicycle at level 1, the lift, and all the way up. Okay, all the way up. I hit the lift area here. You saw the lift area here, not too obvious, but basically you go in the lift. So you can easily connect it through the lift or through the travel elevator to hit the second floor Central Greenway. This whole Central Greenway, right, is well connected for cyclists. As you can see towards the Pasir Ris tree, right, this is when you ride the bicycle, you can hit all the way within 5 minutes. You will hit the Pasir Ris Park and also the Pasir Ris beach and the sea. Is amazing. So if you were to go on the other side, follow my pointer. This is the whole alfresco dining. The whole alfresco dining at level 2. So can you imagine the papa, mama, and the toddlers and the children can enjoy a nice alfresco dining here? So they can enjoy the alfresco dining here. And there are 2 play areas here. This 2 play area is for children to enjoy, while the papa and mama can actually enjoy a nice eateries here. Okay, the award-winning architect, DCA, as well as the award-winning landscape architect, what they did is, can you see this pointer here? Okay, it is very done up carefully. This is the exhaust from the mall. So the exhaust is in a way that it is actually exhaust out. All the hot air is exhaust out. Once they exhaust out, the north-south wind, right? North-south wind will actually dissipate the hot air exhaust from all these exhausts here. Okay, so it's exhaust outward and not inward into the development. So it's something that is very important. And if I follow my cursor here again, you see this cursor here. This is the intake for all the fresh air into the development. This is the intake of the fresh air into the whole development. So I'm still on level 2. As you can see from this whole level 2, it is there's a sheltered walkway here. Okay, sheltered walkway here, and there's also a sheltered walkway here as well. Not only that, now coming back to here, imagine your friends and relatives wanted to visit you. This is the E-deck, one of the E-deck lift. So the E-deck lift, you may not see clearly, but the lift is here. Can you see the lift is here? The lift is over here. This is the lift for the E-deck lift. So imagine now you're the visitor, you want to go to your friend's house. They can go into this lift. The security is tight. You need an access card. For owner, you need an access card. For visitor, you need an intercom. So the intercom will allow you to go to the level 3. Go to the level 3 to do what? To go to the respective block. Imagine I stay in block 12. You can go to the level 3 car park, and then after that go to the block. At the block, take the lift, press the intercom again, and right up to the owner's unit. So this is how easily accessible it is. And if you realize this E-deck lift, right, is very near to the MRT. It is almost adjacent to the MRT, seamless connection to the MRT to provide ease for the residents. So how about all these 7 blocks? As you can see, block 8, block 10, block 12, block 14, block 16, and block 18 and 20. It is very easy for them to, even from level 1, can you see the level 1? They can actually go to the respective block. They can go to the respective block level 1, okay, to take the lift all the way up to the respective units. So when we say lift, is one lift lobby minimally has 2 to 3 car lift. Certain block has 4 car lift. So it's very convenient for all the residents to reach out to their own respective blocks, as you can see from here. Next, I will be orienting you on the level 4. Can you see this whole level 4? Generally, the whole concept that this award-winning architect did is all the building blocks. In total, there are 7 building blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total, there's 487 units. And for this old block, right, it's all tucked at the Pasir Ris 8. And because by doing that, right, the developer is able to relieve the huge land here. Can you see the huge land garden here? This whole huge area here will become a green oasis, a huge green oasis for residents to enjoy maximum view and maximum light. All the units within Pasir Ris 8, you'll get to have north-south orientation. Not only north-south orientation, but also far view. If you follow my pointer, these are all the far view. Very far view that they can enjoy. And not only they can enjoy the far view, they also enjoy all the garden view in between. Because most of the units are facing garden view, far view, as well as the whole pool view and garden landscaping view. It is amazing because they make sure that all the residents are able to see good views. I want you to pay attention to my pointer here right now. Can you see this curtain window? This curtain window, right, is mainly the master bedroom. Coming from the master bedroom of a 3-bedroom. If you coming from a master bedroom 3-bedroom, this is the window on the top where the master guest or the master owner will be able to see panoramic view. You see, can see the panoramic view outwards. Give you an opportunity to see the pool and garden landscaping view. It is fantastic development. So that is that very model. An amazing part is where is the generation set? The generation set is stuck at the corner. And this generation set, I want you to take a look at where it is. This is level 2, remember the Central Greenway? And this generation set is actually stuck at level 3. You saw this set here? It is actually at level 3. And this one is almost double volume air. It is a double volume, very tastefully quality done up facade. Okay, why is that so? And this generation set, the noise level is reduced to the minimum because they need to fulfill the acoustic requirement by the government. And the noise level will all be pumped outward also. All will be pumped outward with an ample double volume to further allow all the heat and the noise to pump out. So it is actually out of sight, out of mind from the residents. Because remember, the lowest floor from the residents start from the 4th floor. Whereas the gen set here is starting from the 3rd floor. And well, how about the substation? The substation is actually located at block 20, but it's actually at level 2. So these are very deliberate, whereby all the negative externalities are being tucked below. So this one you can't see because it's at level 2 inside for the particular substation. And in short, this whole Central Greenway, take note, going over towards the Pasir Ris 3, it is where you hit the Pasir Ris Park Beach and Sea directly via this link here. And for those who like sea view, okay, you may focus on block 20 and 18, but take note, it should be 10th floor and above on the other side, facing on the other side. And also just take note, we don't focus on just selling the sea view alone. We are selling the whole total concept for this whole development. Next, I'll be bringing you through the next station over here. Let me run you through over here. Okay, if you follow my pointer on the stack analysis, this whole site here is huge. It is about 400,000 square foot size. If you look at this, there are comprises 7 blocks, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. From the first stack 1, right? Stack 1 all the way to stack 9. Corner unit are all the 3 bedrooms. Corner unit. And are there small unit, there's corner unit? There is, which is the stack 08 and stack 09. So you realize it's a C-shaped kind of configuration. C-shaped kind of configuration. As you can see from this next block, it is also the C-shaped kind of configuration, whereby the inner unit is smaller unit, corner unit. All right. And each zone, right, come with nice garden view. You see the garden dune view, wellness dune view, welcome dune view, and the reading, and also the relaxed view. And not only that, this particular, all the units here, right, will be facing towards the far oasis and swimming pool view. It's amazing. It comes with a nice kids club, Club 8, as well as bio pond as well, api-api bio pond at this particular whole area here. So let's take a look a little bit again at the orientation from this part. Remember, along Pasir Ris 8 is where the residents go in and out, and where for Pasir Ris 3, this is where the bus interchange will be going in and out from the Pasir Ris 3. And how about the shopper? The shopper will be on the other side, which is the Pasir Ris Central. So each stakeholder will go by a different ingress and outgress. So it actually enhances the convenience for all the different stakeholders. Allow me to bring you through a work under progress cross-section model over here. It is still work under progress, so it's still subject to changes. So if I were to orientate you back to where the MRT is, this is the MRT, and this is level 1. As you can see from this level 1 here, this is the B2, and this is the B1 and the B2. Yeah, work under progress. So these are all the shopping amenities, B1, B2, and also where the shopper park their car at B1 and B2. Of course, you cannot see here because they park on the other side of the car park there. And this is the level 1, and this is the level 1M. Level 1M, and this is the level 2. And remember, the resident car park is at the level 3, which is very separated and very private away from the shoppers which park at B1 and B2. So we hope this cross-sectional view will give you an idea about how well planned this development is for you to enjoy the convenience yet still have the privacy. So allow me to bring you through another counter over here. Okay, as you can see from this particular counter here, right? Let me orientate you to this. A picture speaks 1,000 words. As you can see from this, this is level 1, where the MRT is. If you focus on this curvature here, can you see this curvature? This is exactly level 2. And remember just now, based on the 3-dimension model, this is the alfresco dining, and this is the E-deck lift. And this E-deck lift is amazing because it brings you from level 4, level 3, level 2, level 1, B1, and all the way to B2. So this is very easily connected for you to go to the MRT station. And this is the deck number 4. We call it the E-deck. Okay, designed by the award-winning architect, award-winning landscape architect. And that is the coastal theme where we see the blocks of the residential unit. Going up further, this is the kids club. The kids club is amazing. It comes with a kids club and also we call it a wall climb, where the elderlies and the akong ama can actually enjoy with the toddlers to bond together in this kids play over here. So the toddlers can run about, and it's a dedicated kids zone. Not only that, I'm going to bring you to this 50-meter lap pool. It comprises 4 lanes easily. And on this left-hand side is actually the social pool. This social pool, the white color thing is the jacuzzi is. And this is the resting pavilion. For one to enjoy, and then for another person to relax over this jacuzzi lounge area here. Okay, to unwind in the jacuzzi after a long day's work. And coming down to this co-working lounge, as you can see now, COVID situation, this whole workspace here, this is the meeting room behind it, and this is the meeting pot. And there will be a staff here in the information counter to handle all the residents' needs if need be. There's a pantry area for you to just brew a nice coffee for you to enjoy. And this one take on a seaside theme, okay, a seaside theme for you to bring the sea, okay, back into the lounge. And the overall theme here is the sand theme. You saw the brown color sand theme to bring the nature back to this very cozy co-working lounge. So after this, what's going to happen is I'm going to bring you to the next station. Please follow me. Okay, please follow me. Can you imagine after a day's work, you take a lift, all right? You take a lift, a button, you press B1 or B2, you hit all the way to the B1 and B2 to get this bicycle. Because below it, there's about 1,200 approximately 1,200. We call it end of the trip bicycle facilities. You hop onto this bicycle, and then together with your son and daughter, you ride the bicycle and you hit towards this. How do you feel? Connect to the breeze, connect to the beach, connect to the sea. So this is the lifestyle that Pasir Ris 8 can afford us to enjoy. So what's going to happen is I'm going to bring you to the 3-bedroom first, followed by the 2-bedroom, and also followed by the 1-bedroom. Let me bring you to the 3-bedroom first. Okay, this is a 3-bedder, 1302 square foot size. Very comfortable. There's a professional virtual tour that's being done by the developer. So this part, I'm going to share with you some of the personal touches. This is the first personal touches. It's called the umbrella holder, through cabinet. And as you can see from here, this is the nice parcel here for us to put on the parcel. As you're aware, a lot of us now order online. So we can close this. And once you close this, right, follow me. Okay, there's a very nice store area here. Okay, store area here. Huge store area for you to take a look. And you can put more shoes if you want to, or parcels within this storage area here. The amazing part about the 3-bedroom, you realize there's no planter box. There's no bomb shelter. There's no wasted area. Okay, no planter box, bomb shelter, and bay window. As you can see from here, I want you to feel the size. Now take a look at this size. It's 1302, but this is the living and dining area. From the left limit here, if you see my pointer, left limit, you go to my right limit here. This is the right limit. It's about 6 meters long. See that? From the left wall to the right wall. And if you look back, this is how expensive, okay, the living and dining area is. Let me bring you through the kitchen first. Okay, as you can see from this kitchen, okay, it comes with this award-winning developer Allgreen. It gives you high quality, very high quality engineered stones. This high quality engineered stone, feel my hand here. Okay, this is actually can be able to receive 3 important things. Receives heat, chemical, and also scratches. All right, it can resist all this. And not only that, the second part is this part. See my finger here? This is a seamless kitchen sink. Seamless kitchen sink. And for this seamless kitchen sink, right, it is using precise cutting edge technology. Precise cutting edge technology to sink the top with the sink seamlessly together. So this is the kind of quality that Allgreen provide. As you can see from this perspective, this specification here, engineered stone is an exclusive material, ideal for kitchen and vanity application, able to resist heat, chemical, and scratches. And can you see this seamless sink? It is an innovation using a precise cutting technology. So we are using very high-end stuff for this OCR project. Another personal touch, see my finger here? This is a kitchen organizer. A kitchen organizer given to the 3-bedroom. And we bring the atasner for this particular project. And can you see the screen here? Okay, especially for mommy. Okay, mommy is very important for this whole screen here. From here to this screen here. Okay, allow parents to be able to stand here while they are doing their cook. They'll be able to see their safety of their children. So you can feel it is very, very comfortable. And not only that, they also provide you with quality finishes like Bosch appliances. Usually for OCR project, they give you Electrolux. But for this, they give you Bosch appliances. And as you can see from here, another quality finishes as I open up this, you got dual storage area. So all these 5 touches are all provided here. Bosch, oven, and these are all the ample cabinets that you see from here. All right. Washer and dryer is over here. And the cooker, washer and dryer is over here, tucked nicely. And the cooker, hook and hob. So let me bring you to the next universal room. Where is the universal room? The universal room is over here. And imagine if the family have a maids, the maids will love you very deeply. You can stay here, air condition provided for. See the air condition provided for. There's also a naturally ventilated kitchen, not kitchen, naturally vented, we call it the window. And the maids will love you because why? There's also attached bathroom. As you can see from here, there's this attached bathroom for the for the maids. Yeah. But if the family don't have maids, right? This whole room here, okay, can easily double it as a study room, okay, study room, or what we call a toys room or reading room. It's up to you. So this is an interior design. So the room is even bigger if we remove this whole ID area here. So let me show you more on the two common room. Okay, this is the common room. One of the common room. Every common room, you're able to fit a queen size bed. You're able to fit a queen size bed very comfortably. And this is 9.7 square meter. The two common room is 9.7 square meter and 9.8 square meter. I'm going to show you is this personal touch here. Okay, it's made out of very quality wardrobes, quite heavy. If you open up, right, you realize my pointer here, from this pointer all the way up to the, all the way up. You realize all green, I'll give you all the way up to the ceiling. Most of the OCR project usually stop here because the carpentry cost is not cheap. But for all green, right, for this particular development, you go all the way up to the ceiling. So this is something that you need to take, be aware. And for the three-bedder, right, I want you to take a look at this window here. This window here, okay? It is from the bottom all the way up. You can enjoy a nice view outward. For all the three bedrooms, right, are all facing outwards for this particular unit. So as you can see from here, let me bring you to another room over. So another room, they actually place a single bed, okay, to give you the sense of space. If you place a single bed, you can comfortably put a study table over here. Yeah, we call it a princess room, okay, a single bed with a princess room over here. So the whole space is very big, easily for you to put a queen size bed. So next, I'll be showing you the master bedroom. Let's walk to the master bedroom now, right now. How do you feel of the master bedroom? To the left and to the right. I want you to feel the size. It's 20 square meter. For a three bedroom, 20 square meter. Can you feel the size of it? You can feel the size of it. And I want you to come over here. And you realize my pointer as you come over here, standing in my position where my pointer is. You get to see this whole area here. You can easily fit a queen size bed. They can easily fit, not queen size, you can easily fit a L-shaped wardrobe if you want to. Can you see there's a window here? Remember earlier in the model I mentioned the curtain window? You will be able to see outward towards the green oasis. So this is the additional window for you to have the view behind it. And not only that, for wife, you'll love this a lot. It comes with a very heavy wardrobes. Very heavy. As you can see, I can close this. Okay. I can also try to push it back. So as you come in together with me, let's take a look at what happened. Okay, there's a nice window. Okay, as you come in from here, take a look at the whole wardrobes. It is all provided for. So let me orientate the camera towards the whole wardrobes. So let us see how nicely the whole wardrobe is done up. There's also a full glass mirror. As you come in, imagine now you're coming in, you get to see this full glass mirror. Wow, it's amazing. Full glass mirror. So now, as I orientate you to the finishes, all green give you top quality finishes. They give you Duravit, they give you Grohe, they also give you Gerberit. You can see the Gerberit. Usually these three brands are given to the high end and the mid end. But for OCR project, even for all green, Pasir Ris, they give you all these appliances. So it's a award-winning developer, architect, and builders. Okay, and the builders, the track record for this particular project, the builders has built Linen residences before. Garden by the Bay. These are the kind of heavyweight masters that designed this wonderful project. Allow me to bring you through the bedroom, the one bedroom and the two bedroom, to show you more on the personal touches that all green provided. So as I walk through here, I just want to highlight, because the three bedroom doesn't come with planter box and bay window and also home shelter. For those who wanted to create one more room, see my pointer here. You can create one more room by taking this line as a reference. Take a look at the floor. This floor area here, you can provide another wall partition. You can provide another wall partition here, okay, and another wall partition here. That is where you can complete another nice bedroom. You can either create another nice bedroom or study room. You can easily fit another single bed if you want to, by converting this 3-bedroom into a 4-bedroom. And it comes with this Haiku fan as well. All right. Take note, Haiku fan is only for the 3-bed and 4-bed. And this Haiku fan is our own installation. You can install it to whichever location that you want. Next, let us bring you to the 2-bed and the 1-bed. Very quickly to the 2-bed and the 1-bed. Okay, like what we mentioned, this work under progress, a little bit dark. So I'm going to just show you the key features. This is the 2-bed. Remember, that's professional virtual tour done up. Okay, one key features is over here. This is the sewer table. Okay, this is the sewer table. See my marker. This is the sewer table provided for. You turn right. That is where you can push it in directly. So this is one important thing. For this 2-bedroom, right, I'm going to show you another personal touch is over here. Follow me on this personal touch over here. Okay, this is what we call a 2-bedroom, but come with a very tastefully done up work. We call it a iron board. All right. So this iron board is integrated with the bathtub as well. So as you can see from here, when I open it up, can you imagine how convenient it is? And towards the bath on my right. Okay, you see the bath on my right. I can easily close this. I can easily close this. Easily close this, and I push it in. So this is a dry area. We call it laundry area. Nicely done up. As you can see, the master bedroom is very comfortable size. All the bedrooms you're able to fit a queen size bed, and this is the master bedroom. Okay, can you imagine you put a big king size bed all the way to the end? You still have a space for you to put this dressing table here if you want to. So this is the key about the function of the floor plan. The floor plan is very functional. So let me very quickly bring you to the 1-bedroom, because the developer is closing already to prepare for tomorrow. That's why I still work under progress. So let me bring you to the third 1-bedroom. Okay, same thing. Just remember, something that's common will be this personal touch. Okay, just recap very quickly on this personal touch on the parcel. All right, on the parcel here, and also the shoe cabinet and the umbrella holder. So as I enter from here, right, for the 1-bedroom is very good size, 517 square foot. And remember, it's also made up with the engineered stones that I mentioned earlier on. And most importantly, can you see this? This is the sewer table. Very tastefully done up sewer table. You pull all the way out. You can actually put this as a table here. See that? So this one, you can put it back again. All right, you can easily close it. So this is a very nicely done up sewer table. Okay, and you close it. And next, the second personal touch is about this 4 collapsible wall. Let me do the demonstration for you. So if I were to close everything, it provides the privacy. See that? I can close everything if I want to. So once I close everything, I can also easily open up if I want to expand the space. So it gives me the flexibility, and I can do some. This wall is provided for. These 4 walls. This is not provided for, but it gives you an idea. You can do something like that. Yeah, you can do something like that. Yeah, it's amazing. So they can switch the television around the master bedroom. Yeah. So I will put back the collapsible wall. I'm going to show you another personal touch. Another personal touch that the all green provided is this table here. I want to show you this particular table. Okay, what is this table? This is a universal table provided for the 2 bedrooms. So this is the dressing table. And this dressing table, why is it called universal table? Because you can easily close it. And imagine the wife, after doing up the makeup, wanted to provide a Zoom session. You just sit down here and do the Zoom. Where the husband can continue to use the sewer table here. Remember the earlier sewer table? Husband can be working here and the wife can be working here. Yeah. Another plus point is this door. This door. This is a nice, elegant, simple door. And when you close it, right, it provides like a walk-in open concept wardrobes. So I can close it anytime if you want to. How about having another door? The client can easily put up another ledgers here for another door, all right, if they want to. And same thing, even for the one bedroom, come with premium finishes, Jurovic, Grohe, and Geberit. And this one, take note, is movable. You can shift to any place that you want. It's very convenient. So this is the one bedroom. And lastly, I want to give you a zoom out picture. If you stand along this, looking into the master bedroom at this angle, can you see how wide it is? It is very, very comfortable size. I can shift the whole king size bed all the way to the left, and I can still have a very big space here for a single bed and also a baby cot. This is how wide the one bedroom is. And this complete my tour of the one bedroom. Allow me to bring you back to this area here. Okay, I've ended the session. Today's take note again, it is a very work in progress flow for all of you to have a quick look on this particular show flat. Thank you very much for your time. Really appreciate your time. And see you. Bye.